Welcome back to Sunday Funday, where we review our Webull Dividend Porfolio spreadsheet. In this video, we're going to go over our deposits, our purchases, and our dividends received. I would like to bring to your attention that we are actually up in this account. Typically in these videos, we have been down significantly. As you can see, we're up almost $500. We're only down in a couple positions. For the month of January, we have not been able to add any money to our account yet. But the good news is our dividends are flowing in. The total amount of money that I've put in this account is $4,700. As far as our purchases for the month of January, we purchased 9 shares of Energy Transfer for $6.50. With that purchase, it lowered our cost basis down to $7.26. And as you can see from when we first started purchasing Energy Transfer, it was $13.58. So hopefully my plan is eventually it'll go back up to this amount, plus the dividend will start going back up, and then we will have doubled our money. We should see pretty good total returns from that company. Other than that, we didn't make any other purchases besides our one purchase with our dividend money of QYLD. As far as our dividends received, we received $3.38 from OXLC, $6.36 from FRT, $1.88 from Realty Income Corp. We received $7.80 from QYLD, $2 from Horizon, 60 cents from Foot Locker, for a total of $22.02. So that's a huge increase of the amount of dividends for the month year over year, as I'll show you here real quick though. These are all the purchases we have made with our dividend money. We started out buying Ford, which, knowing now what we've seen with Ford, it would have been a good idea to just continue buying Ford. But after this purchase right here, we ended up being in the green on Ford, and I didn't really want to keep raising my cost basis on the stock that quit paying the dividend. So we only have 4 shares of Ford. And I decided to take QYLD because we were down, plus it pays a pretty good dividend. So we decided to make that ETF our dividend money fund. And then currently we still have $10.65 worth of dividend money to use to buy more shares. This taught me a really good lesson over the last year. It's been a year and a month since we started investing. And this goes to show that as long as you start investing, I mean, we started getting our dividends way down here last January, and now look. But as long as you start, eventually your money will start making you money. But if you don't ever start and you continue to spend all of your money on things that lose value and don't make you any money, you'll never be able to take advantage of your money making you money. And that's one thing I wish I had learned sooner, was that it's important to make sure your money that you do make works as hard as you did when you made it. So this is my system to make my money work as hard as I do. Is I decided to do dividend investing last year. So far, I'm pretty excited about how it goes. On Sunday Funday, we do review 4 different portfolios, which we have in this spreadsheet right here. Let me make this a little bigger. These are all of the accounts that we review on Sunday Funday. We have our Webull Dividend portfolio right here, and then we have a growth portfolio right here through M1 Finance, and then we have our Roth IRA through M1 Finance, and then we have our health savings account through Fidelity. So as you can see, we have been able to invest a total of about $22,000 between all of the accounts. And as you can see, we've received $503 doing that. If we don't add any more money, basically every year we should be able to bring in $949.32. Which may not seem like a lot of money, but if you look at it basically by the month, we basically are almost up to $80 a month on average of income that we make. So I mean, that may not seem like a lot, but like let's just think of the fact that if we would have just spent all of our money and bought stuff that sits on the shelf or is in the back of your closet or an outfit or whatever that you don't even wear, we wouldn't have any of that money. We could probably sell that thing for 10% of what you paid for it on the swap or whatever, or Facebook Marketplace. But here we have all of that money plus $3,406. Sure, a couple of these accounts we can't really get a hold of the money, but at least it'll be there for when we're old and wrinkly. Another good thing that we decided to take a look at here is, or to keep track of, is through all of those accounts, all of the white ones right here are in tax-free accounts, so we are over 50%. Oh, actually, they monkeyed this one up because I deleted it. We ended up selling Carnival Cruise Line because of their debt amount, and they don't pay dividends anymore. But yeah, that's going to be something we're going to focus on or try to be more disciplined about this year, is making sure we fund all of our tax advantaged accounts before we do our taxable accounts, with the exception of our M1 growth one, because those stocks that are in that account do not pay any dividends, so we don't have to pay any taxes on those until we sell those. But anyways, one more thing I want to point out here is basically our first stock to go, well, we actually have two in this account, to go over 100% total return. As you can see here, we have Ford, which we only paid $20.69 for, is worth more now. Is worth twice as much money as we paid for it. So we've doubled our money on Ford, which this is dividend money. So like our money doubled itself, which is pretty awesome. And then also we have BGS Foods, which we only have 3 shares, and I really wanted to add more because the dividend yield's really high, or it was before the price went up recently during all the GameStop situations. But anyways, that one too has returned over 100%. So we've doubled our money on 2 of our investments already, which is pretty impressive for basically not knowing what we were doing. So, but that is encouraging. And our total return right now, as you can see here, is 14.62%. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. If you want to see some other investing videos right now, you can click the link on the screens or check out some of the videos in the sidebar. Thanks for watching.